Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the scene. Clean the lens and flatten the document so the camera reads text clearly. Once ready, open your scanner app and grant camera and storage permissions. This lets the app save edits. Position the document on a contrasting background and hold the phone steady. Use a small tripod or rest your elbows. Begin the first capture and use auto crop. This reduces manual trimming later. Practice one test shot to verify exposure and focus before scanning multiple pages. Once you have a test capture, adjust settings. Enable auto crop and perspective correction so pages look flat, and tweak exposure for legibility. Then, scan pages in sequence. Use batch mode or name each file as you go to avoid mixing documents. Select color for photos, grayscale for mixed content, or black and white for high contrast text. This affects file size and OCR accuracy. Make sure to check each preview if a page is blurred. Retake it immediately to maintain consistency. You finish by running OCR so the scanned file is searchable. Review recognized text and correct any errors because OCR isn't perfect. Once edited, export to PDF or send directly to cloud storage or email, choosing resolution and compression that balance quality versus file size. Make sure to rename and organize files immediately so you can find them later. If scans look bad, rescan the page, clean the lens, or update the app. These quick fixes usually resolve the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.